Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, anong ating makikita dito? Lahat babasahin natin. Okay, so, yeah. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? And yeah, kung meron tanong pagdating sa ating mga items, so meron tayong Evil Eye Protection, meron tayong ring, meron tayong necklace. Okay? So ito yung necklace natin. So yan siya. Nahihiya siya. O diba? Yan. Okay. So non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. So, meron din tayong dalawang sample ng bracelet. Okay, meron tayong garterize. So, ganyan yung ating garterize. Ito. And, yung ating adjustable. Okay. This is made with love. O, diba? Ito yung merong initial. Okay po, initial nung magmamayari, no? So, available siya in red and black string. So, ito siya. Ito yung na-adjust. Okay? So, ganyan. And, yung ating love bracelet. So, ito yung love bracelet natin. Pwede sa singles, sa mga may kapareha na, lalo na yung ang daming conflict. Yan. Pwede sa inyo to, no? So, this is 7 inches long mula dito sa kanyang lock hanggang dito sa pinagkakabitan. Okay? And, yung ating granter necklace. So, sa granter necklace is made to order. Okay? Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. This is 20 inches long yung chain. Pero pwede kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. Okay? So, si grantor, siya yung mahilig magbigay ng surprises. Siya yung nag-grant, okay, ng mga minamanifest ninyo. Okay? And syempre, dun tayo, no, sa masyadong too good to be true no? Kung lahat i-grant niya. Okay? Dun tayo sa totoo lang. Alam nito kung ano ang i-grant para sa'yo. Okay? Kung alam niya na deserve mo, hindi ka para paghintayin ito. Okay? Hindi ka para paghintayin. Okay? So, last is yung ating pang cord cut. So, ito siya. For cord cutting. So, si cord cut, inaalis natin, no? Yung mga hindi na magagandang energies from the past na pwedeng nagwe-weigh down pa rin sa'yo, kaya hindi ka makausad. Okay? In general. So, yun po ang ating inaalis. So, kailangan nyo nito. Siya yung parang magsisilbing harang na para hindi na bumalik. Okay? At para kayo makausad. Mga nagpapabigat, yan. Aalisin natin dyan. Okay? So, yun po ha. Kung mayroon pang mga tanong, message na lang po, no? Para dun kayo masasagot. And yes, sa mga naghihintay po ha ng message, ng reply. Kaunting pasensya kasi isa lang po si admin. Oo, ang dami po natin, ha? Iniisa-isa po yan. Okay? So, kung wala pa pong reply si admin, kaunti ang pasensya na and kaunti ang paghihintay na lang din po, no? So, marereplyan po lahat. Okay? Kayo ay nakahanay. So, okay. Let's start the reading. Ay, gagamit pala tayo ng oracle. Oo nga pala. And ng tarot. So, dito muna yung oracle natin. So, let's start with Aries. Ay, no. Gulo. Ay, bakit ko ganun? So, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for you? Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 lang. 3 lang. For you, air signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, okay. Ano ang iyong first card? Okay, adventure. Wow, this is talking about, explorer, passion, travel. Okay, so specific, no? Merong mga pupuntahan. Vacation, mga ganyan. So, Next is natural disaster. So this is talking about risk, frustration, and survive. Okay. Next, triumph. So success, victory, and achievement. I think this is talking about energy. This is like a challenge, no? To overcome para mas maging okay ka. Yeah, in general. So I think universe will challenge you. Universe will give you maybe challenges para maging strong ka pa. Yeah, para may matutunan ka pa. So, welcome lang ng welcome. Hindi mo kailangang tambayan. Yung mga drama, yung mga issue, yung mga problem na yan, kailangan yung lagpasan. Ha? So, let's see. What's with this adventure para ma-clarify natin? Adventure. So, it's like, energy ng the Fool. Kaya siguro nasabi ko Aries, no? Maybe some of you might be dealing with an Aries. This is like energy ng the Fool. Like, new opportunities, yeah, adventure, exploring, yeah, travel. So, what's with this adventure for you air signs? The Two of Pentacles, wide out. Some of you, hindi pa Oo nga daw, o diba? Wide out. Some of you, ikaw itong parang magdadalawang isip pa. Pwedeng may mga ibibigay sa'yo si universe na parang bagong-bago sa'yo. So, it's like, nakakatakot i-grab. This is opportunity na hindi natin masasabi kung babalik pa or hindi na, or babalik pa or kung ano, di ba? Death. Okay, this is talking about changes. Kung ano man to. Okay? In general. Talking about changes. Kung ano man yung mga sa tingin mo hindi mo kinakaya. Yun yung sa tingin kong magpapabigay pa or magbibigay pa sa'yo ng mas magiging magandang result. Yes. Naku, hindi ko kaya. Yun yung akala mo. Lahat naman tayo nagsisimula sa, naku, hindi ko kaya. 'Di ba? Lahat. Matututo at matututo rin. So, iba dito, yeah, there's this adventure, travel na pwedeng i-reject mo. I don't know why. So, may chance nga na hindi ka sigurado, hindi ka ganun kalakas yung loob, gawin, or i-grab. So, what's with this natural disaster? So, it's talking about risk. Yeah, risk. Frustration and survive. Anong meron? The Three of Wands reversed. So, ang sinasabi rito, kung may mga challenges, hindi kailangang tambayan. 'Di ba? Ito 'yun. Hindi kailangan tambayan. Lagpasan mo lang. Okay, lalagpasan mo. The Seven of Cups. Basta may focus ka, malalagpasan mo 'yun. Kasi kung hindi, gulo-gulo yung utak mo, hindi mo talaga malalagpasan. Hindi mo talaga makakaya. I don't know kung anong ibig sabihin nito, pero yeah, this is general. Okay, so what's with this triumph? It's talking about success, victory, and achievement. Yeah. Two of Wands. Iba sa inyo, may specific ako nakikita. Pwedeng success mo sa malayo, nasa malayo. Okay? Like distance. Mayroong, I don't know, pwedeng aalis ka, pupunta ka ng ibang lugar, like that. Hindi ko nakikita yung success mo dyan lang sa inyo eh. Dyan lang sa bahay. Hindi ko nakikita na ganun eh. Okay? Queen of Swords, Universe. Iba sa inyo, if this is talking about legalizations, may chance na merong sabihin nating yung parang sa tingin ninyo, hindi nyo mapapaamin, mga ganyan. May mga susuko, may mga ganon. Okay? Kasi nandun yung takot. Somebody is sabihin natin in denial rin or talagang itatago lang at itatago pero mahuhuli rin. Parang may ganong energy. Yeah, the Fool. See? Oo. Nagpakita siya. So, there's this something na pwedeng may mga mangyaring bago in general sa inyo, mga air signs. Okay? A new beginning maybe. 0. This is start. Kung makikita mo, ito rin 0. You know. Start. Ito yun. Okay? So, why doubt? Iba sa inyo, mangyayari pa lang yung bago kasi may nag-end or may kailangan mag-end. Meron kayong mga kailangan tapusin, meron kayong mga kailangan itigil in general para may magbago, para may mabasag, para may ma-break rin na cycle sa iba sa inyo. Okay? So, yeah. Meron din ditong parang nagdadalawang isip na gumawa ng way papunta sa'yo. Fire sign and Libra, I think. Or maybe takot lang sa'yo tong taong to, kaya ganyan. Somebody is frustrating over you. I think this is just like an energy of a past person. Feeling nila, tinalikuran mo na sila. Parang kawawang-kawawa na sila this time. Kasi parang ikaw lang yung para sa kanila eh. Water, fire. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, number 0. 38 and 19. So, yun ang aking reading for you. Air sign. So, next. Fire signs. Hi, fire signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Gagamit tayo ng oracle card. Okay. Oops. 3 cards for fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Oracle muna, and then i-clarify natin ng ating tarot. Okay. Fire signs. Okay, kunin ko to. Fire signs. Okay. So, your first card is loss, bereavement, sorrow, damage. Oops. Oh, that's sad. Ay. Anyway, next, compromise, agreement, reconciliation, consideration. Okay. Next is commitment, binding, obstruction, and contract. Somebody will realize kung ano man yung worth mo. Somebody will regret. So, ngayon, nakakaisip sila na, okay, I need to make effort for this. I need to make action for this. Parang may ganan. I'm seeing angel number here. 333. Okay, so somebody is sad. Somebody is regretting over this. Kung ano man ang meron. May nakompromiso. Merong sinisisi ang sarili. So, ngayon, kailangan niyang gawa ng paraan kung ano man to. Some of you, I'm seeing the energy of third party here. Yeah, 333. Diba? Third party, nandito. Oo, naguhumiyaw. Okay, so let's see what's with this loss. Okay. Anong meron? The Ace of Swords. Yeah, I think this is like an energy of realizations. Somebody's regretting over something na hindi niya nasabi. Hindi niya naipahayag sa'yo. Hindi niya na-express. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. I think this is like, something or someone na pwedeng, okay, pagkakataon na pinalagpas ko pa. Parang may ganon. Pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. They're crying over this. They're annoyed. Pagdating sa sarili nila, like naiinis sila sa sarili nila kasi alam naman nila na kaya nilang gawin pero hindi nila ginawa. Okay? Somebody is feeling, sad kasi hindi ka nila makikita. Parang hindi ka nila nakikita na, hindi ka nila nakakausap na. I think may nangyaring ending. Yeah, I don't know if you cut them off. Yeah, walang communication. Now, they want communication with you. They're regretting maybe somebody. Avoid making decisions out of emotions, okay? Avoid decisions out of emotions. Okay. Whether you're happy, whether you're sad, whether you're angry, avoid making decisions. Please. Okay? So, what's with this compromise? So, agreement, reconciliation, consideration. I'm hearing then the word overlap. Okay? So, what's with this compromise? The Sun. Okay. So, andyan yung energy ng frustration nga, no? Frustration, andyan yung energy. Parang nababurn out ka na. Like that. Anong meron? Somebody will get caught. I think. Meron akong nakikita rito, overheat. That's channeled. Overheat. The King of Swords. Somebody, this is compromise. Kompromiso. Iba sa inyo, yes, avoid ninyong gumawa ng schedules na hindi ninyo ninonote. To avoid overlap. To avoid rescheduling. Like that. Or para ma-avoid ninyo yung ma-compromise. Okay? Double check. You have to double check. Lalo na if there's this transaction involved. Money involved. Double check. Okay? To avoid arguments. Skandalo. Okay? So, there. So, what's with these commitments? Some of you, meron ako naririnig kailangan makita yung payslip. So, di ba? Ang daming energy. Tingnan natin anong meron dito sa commitments. For you, fire signs. So, this is binding, obstruction, and contract. Oh, this is responsibilities. Commitments. Yeah, bills. yun yung narinig ko. Okay? The Five of Cups in reverse, Ang nakuha ko naman dito is, sabihin nating malalagpasan at malalagpasan na rin naman, no? Kung ano man tong mga napagkumitan mo. Okay? If this is talking about payments, mga bills, okay? Malalagpasan, matatapos rin. Okay? I'm seeing this energy of success. I'm seeing energy of finalizations. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, iba sa inyo yung mga kailangan talagang ayusin, lalo na sa, di ko alam if this is talking about transaction or pera, online, mga ganyan. Kailangan ninyong tingnan talaga, no? Hindi ko alam bakit ganyan. Okay? Iba sa inyo, parang gustong-gusto na kumawala sa isang commitment. Kasi talagang hindi mo na magawa yung mga gusto mo pang gawin because of this. Nakakabala ka naman din. The Nine of Wands in reverse. Somebody's too tired. It depends. So, kung paano mo minamanage. On how you handle things. Again, the Six of wands. This is victory, this is success. Anyway, yeah, before tayo mag-isip ng success ng iba, ng success, ng victory para sa iba, atin muna. Okay? Kung gusto nyong maging successful nga at kung gusto nyong umusad, kung gusto nyong makatulong, success muna natin bago yung iba. Okay? Kasi mahihirapan nga talaga tayo. Kung sabay-sabay tayo, tas ikaw lang yung gumagawa para maging okay sila. At ang mahirap dyan, hindi sila nakikipag-ugnay ng maganda, hindi sila nakikipag-cooperate ng maganda sa'yo. No? So, may mga masasayang. Higit sa lahat, yes, unahin mo muna talaga yung sarili mo. Okay? So, yeah. Meron pa akong nakita. May marireschedule dito na parang ang tawag dyan, check up. Okay, check up. So, there. Okay. So, that's for you, fire sign. So, we have here 13, 33, and 34. Okay. So, next is water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, what's for you? Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Big help po yan ha sa ating channel. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? 3 cards for water signs. Okay. So, first card, okay. So, stability, harmony, acceptance. Somebody's saying, I'm okay. I'm okay. I want to be okay. I want you to be okay. Like that. Acceptance. I'm okay. I'm alright. Strategy. Planning, prediction, mind reading. This is being ready, I think. Being ready for the future. Okay. Next, nightmare. Suffering, darkness, persecution. I think this is just like an energy of the nine of swords, no? Yeah, it's like 9 of swords. Somebody hindi na makatulog. Nandyan yung takot. Nandyan yung pag-iisip. Day and night, may pag-iyak. Anyway, so let's see. You'll overcome this. Some fears, suffering, sabihin natin sa isang situation na akala nyo hindi nyo na malalagpasan. Kasi paulit-ulit. It's like, okay, magiging okay ako nito. Pero every time na mag-isa na, doon na parang nilalamon na, no, ng kalungkutan. Parang ganyan. Niyayakap, no? ng kalungkutan. No? So, let's see. Tuwing gabi or tuwing mag-isa na. Yung alam mo na, yung parang okay, magiging okay ako. Nagiging okay every time na nandyan yung mga companion, may mga kasama, friends mo, nandyan, mga ganyang bagay. Okay ka pag ganun. Pero kapag mag-isa na, paano na ako? Walling, mga ganong bagay. Let's see. What's with this okay? Anong sabihin nito? Okay. Hierophant. Oh, this is talking about commitments. Talking about, so, eto mindset mo, water sign. Yun ang binulong sa akin. Nakadepende lahat sa kung ano at sa kung paano mo iisipin yung isang bagay. Okay? Mindset. Stability. This is talking about stability. Some of you I'm seeing here, you'll accept something, an offer na pwedeng magbibigay rin ng magandang result eventually. Okay? Meron ditong oo. Merong sasagutin. Yes, may mga ganung bagay. A decision maybe for some of you. I'm hearing settling down. Justice in reversed. Yeah. Stability or status is going up. Okay? Iba dito, if this is talking about legal issues, may chance na pwedeng, yes, may bibigay na sa'yo yung, sabihin natin, okay na, isa ka na ngayong free. You're free already. Okay, parang ganyan. Talking about endings, annulled, mga ganyang bagay, divorce. Pwedeng, yeah, may ma-arrange na, some of you. The Page of Wands. This is having like a fresh, new start. I'm ready like that. I'm okay. So what's with this strategy? Strategy. The Hermit. Planning ahead. Planning ahead of time. O, diba? Planning, looking, searching. Some of you. Searching online. Searching on the net. On the web. This is being ready, I think. Being ready. Some of you, your intuition, wag nyong isasawalang bahala. Okay? The Nine of Cups is here in reversed. Somebody may gumagawa or may gagawa ng plano, hakbang, patungo sa'yo. Pwedeng Virgo, pwedeng water sign. They're searching for you. Some of them, gumagawa ng strategy, makita ka lang. Some of you, may nanonood dito ng tarot reading like you. Makita lang kung anong meron. Okay? They're looking for you. Yeah. They're looking for you. They're searching for you. They want to talk, some of them. Gusto ka na tong taong to. They like you. Anong meron sa kanya para malaman mong siya to? Who's this person? Some of them, may energy na sabihin natin pwedeng older or pwedeng ikaw, yung mas matanda dito. Anong meron sa kanya? Specific. The High Priestess in reversed. Specific na specific ito, water signs, no? Some of them, alam mo na meron silang, sabihin nating, sixth sense. Mga ganyan. Marunong sila sa ganito. Pinagsama ba naman, Hermit tsaka High Priestess? Some of them matalino. Pwedeng Cancerian. Meron ditong gumagamit ng fake account. Yeah, they love you. They like you. Some of you, this is a past person. Okay? So, yeah. Yung nag-end sa inyo. So, anong meron? Pagdating dito sa nightmare. Lagay natin dyan. What's with this nightmare? Parang energy ng Nine of Swords. Suffering, darkness, persecution. Oh, the Tower. Somebody is suffering from separation. They're suffering. Sana walang depressed dito. Suffering from depression. Somebody wants to make a return. Paano na ako? Like that. Anong meron dyan sa tower? Pwedeng Scorpio. Yeah, they want you. They want commitments with you. Some of you, meron ditong nagtatago pagdating sa commitments. They're like afraid of the commitments. May ganun. Yeah, they're holding back. They're held back. They're like closed off. Somebody's takot sa isang commitment. Some of you, avoid na makipag-commit kung ano man or sabihin natin, compromise. Avoid compromise. Avoid na ma-compromise. Okay. Mahirap na eh. I don't know, bakit may tower dito? Lalo na patungkol sa pera ha. Commitments. Para kayong natatrap. Parang matatrap sa isang commitment. Anyway. Yung iba dito, may chance na, yeah, there's option. Yeah. Ito yun. Ito yung hinihingi ko. So, may energy rito na pwedeng may darating na mga pagkakataon, opportunities to grab. Pero nandyan yung, okay, nakakatakot. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. So, kapag ganyan, sabog agad, no? Sabotahe agad yun. Ang maganda dyan, take risk. Okay? Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be alright. Huwag ka masyadong mag-alala. Some of you, you're overthinking. You're just overthinking, making fake scenarios. You're blocking your own energy. You're blocking your own frequency sa mas maganda pang pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Okay? So, wag masyadong, makapag-isip ng hindi tama, hindi maganda. Okay? So, there. We have here. Yeah. We have here Earth, Cancerian, Virgo, Water, Scorpio, Libra, and Taurus. Okay. So, number 65, 75, and 48 could be significant. Okay. So, next. Earth signs. Okay. So, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Earth signs. What's for you? Okay. So, gagamit tayo ng Oracle and then clarify natin ng Tarot. 3 cards for Earth signs, please. Okay. Illness at the bottom of the deck. Reservation. Desire, worth, extravagance. Next. Overload. Assessment, obligation, overwhelm. Yeah, tamang-tama sa inyo to, no? Oo, tamang-tama. Next, aid. Mercy, charity, kindness. Earth signs. Hindi raw mali ang humingi ng tulong. Okay? Iba sa inyo nagkakasakit na kakaisip. In general, kung paano, mabubuhay. Paano makakapagbayad ng bills. Ha? Okay. Hindi raw mahirap o hindi raw masamang humingi ng opinyon, ng tulong, kung kailangan. Hindi yun sign ng weakness. Okay? Hindi yun sign ng weakness. I don't know. Somebody needs to hear that. So, what's with this reservation? So, this is talking about desire, worth, extravagance. Reservation. I think this is like energy ng 7 of Pentacles, no? It's like being, ang tawag dyan? expectations, no? May expectations ako naririnig dito. Meron din ako nakikita rito pag-iipon ng iba sa inyo. Ano to? The Five of Cups. Ooh, expectation. Might ruin. Kung ano man. Okay? Somebody's desiring you. Pero they're regretting kung anong meron sa ngayon. I don't know why. Maybe they expect something pagdating sa'yo. They're upset. They're sad. Why? What's with this? Meron ditong, meron ditong magre-reject ng isang date. The Ace of Pentacles, rejection. In reversed. Okay? Somebody, meron ditong talagang dinidesire ka, talagang ginugusto ka. Ikaw na lang talaga yung para sa kanya. I'm getting an energy ng Chariot dito because of this car. Okay. Pwedeng Cancer yan. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person talagang nag-expect na ng maganda, nag-expect na, ng something dito sa inyong dalawa. Pero may nangyari ditong miss opportunity. Yes. Meron pa akong specific na nakikita rito. Okay? Yung energy is like, hi, ito, parang gusto ko to. Maganda na to. Kapag nabili na, may makikita pang mas maganda. So, before kayo mag-settle, before kayo gumawa ng decision, hanap. Okay? Or sabihin nating aral. Okay? Like that. Some of you, meron kayong mga ginugusto lang na bagay na hindi naman kailangan. Pero, yes, nandyan yung sasabihin natin magre-regret ka kasi bakit ko pa ito binili. Short tuloy ako. Na-short tuloy ako. Parang may ganun. Hindi pala kaya. Parang ganyan. May nag-invest na sa inyo. Yeah. May nag-invest. Or may mag-i-invest. Kung sino man yung nag-invest sa inyo, they're regretting something. Kung ano man. Pwedeng nire-regret nila na hindi sila totally nagbigay ng worth sa'yo. Hindi nila ginawa yung mga bagay na dapat binigay, dapat ginawa sa'yo. Now they're regretting it. Okay? So, next, what is this overload? So, assessment, obligation, overwhelmed. The Tower inversed. Gusto ko magpahinga. Yun narinig ko. Gusto ko na magpahinga. Pero hindi matakasan eh. Kasi obligado. No? Nakakapagod. Stress. Ganun. Queen of Swords inversed. Hindi ka na nagiging healthy pagdating sa ganito. Yeah. Strength. Stress. Hindi raw mahirap o hindi raw masama na minsan na humindi. Hindi raw masamang humindi. Earth signs. Yung alam mong overload ka na, kukuha ka pa ng isa pa. Tapos siya ka magsasabi, pagod na ako. Parang ganon. You can say no. The King of Swords Universe. Some of you, this is talking about a connection na talaga namang nakaka-stress na. This is so toxic. sumabog na. Hindi lang magawang alisan. Kasi kasal po kami eh. May anak po kami. Mga ganong bagay. Makinig sa opinion ng iba. Humingi ng tulong. Hindi masama. Pero, yung mga ibibigay na opinion sa'yo, kung hindi mo na iintindihin at hindi mo naman gagawin, wala ring mangyayari. Laging nakadepende sa'yo. Knight of Wands. So, the Chariot. So, di ba nagpakita si Chariot? Yes, may energy kasi ng Chariot eh. Ito yun, no? Yung sabi ko, kasi gawa ng car. Ito yun, Chariot. It's like sinaunang car noong panahon. Anyway, so, Queen of Swords, the Tower in reverse, the Knight of Wands. Umaasa na may patutunguhan pa kaso wala. See? The Ace of Cups in reversed. Maraming nasasayang dito, maraming natatapo na lang. Kung ikaw, kaya mo umalis pa sa isang situation at sa tingin mo kailangan mo na talagang alisan, do it. Huwag mo nang pahabain, huwag mo nang patagalin. Okay? Some of you I'm seeing here is a resignation letter. Opo. Okay? Resignation letter. So, what's for you? What's for you? What's with this aid? So, mercy, charity, and kindness. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, this is aid. Yeah, this is nurturing. Somebody needs you. Somebody, they need you. They need your comfort. They need your love. They need your care. Parang ganyan. Tender, loving care. Who is this? Who is this? They need you. Oh, kawawa naman. The High Priestess. Somebody. Ito Earth signs. Meron ditong mother or father figure who is in need. Okay? Pagdating sa tulong, pagdating sa kung ano man, care, hindi na ata ako naaalala, mga ganyang bagay. Hindi lang sila nagsasabi. Kumukumustahin ninyo yung mga magulang ninyo. Kumukumustahin ninyo yung mga breadwinner. Kumusta ka? May kailangan ka ba ngayon? Meron ditong hindi nagsasalita, earth signs. Yung iba sa inyo, alam kong ikaw yun. Ha? Hindi ka lang nagsasabi. Oo. So, sa mga nagko-cross-watch dyan, oo. Nahihiya lang si earth sign, ha? I can't. Ha? So, meron po, ha? Meron ditong parang kinakailangan. Yung sabihin nating, kahit kaunting, ang tawag dyan, pangungumusta. Yes. Meron dito, kahit kaunting kumusta. Kamusta ka dyan? Parang ganun. Okay na sila dun. Kasi parang feeling nila, hindi na sila na, ang tawag dyan, hindi na sila naaalala. Yung mga ganun. Some of them talaga, sila yung talagang tulong ng tulong. Minsan naiisip nila, ako kaya, iniisip nila, may naiyak dito. May naiyak ngayon. Ba't ka naiyak? Diba? So, yeah. Magiging okay rin lahat. Okay? Magiging okay rin lahat. Huwag mong itago. Baka ma-stress ka. See? Express. Okay? Express. Yun nga lang. Reach out. Okay? Kung makikita nyo dito, may nag-reach out. Okay, so there. Anyway, so meron ditong earth sign, Cancer, Sagittarius, Libra, Scorpio, earth, and water. Okay, so we have here numbers 29, 67, and 17 could be significant. Okay, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.